Hi colleagues, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to install Google Drive backup and sync so that you can have your document backed up and synced in the cloud should your computer crash, or if you don't have it you can be able to access it from anywhere, whatever you have access to, a computer or a device that can connect to the internet. First of all, you need to go to Google Services, and then under Google Services you scroll down and then select backup and sync. Under backup and sync, you'll see in here, you click, and then now it's going to download backup and sync. As you can see in here, just give it a time. And then now once it has downloaded, you must click open file. Okay. So now in my case, it asks me if I want to install the software. If you do get the same prompt as well, just click yes. But in your case, that it prompts you to enter a username and password. So in that case, just type // and user, leave the password blank, and then just click yes to proceed. // user, as you can see in here. So now it will download the actual software. What we've just downloaded is the downloader and not necessarily the software. So now it's downloading the actual software. As you can see here, that's like about 23 or whatever second left. Let's just wait for it to do that. And then let's give it time, it's finishing up. This will be determined by the speed of your internet connectivity. Unfortunately, my Wi-Fi in the house, it's not that fast. Okay, so now once the download is complete, it will start installing automatically, as you can see. Now the installation is complete. You can click close in here. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can minimize or close everything else here. And then it will automatically open in the Google Backup and Sync setup. This is where you're going to configure the account that's linked to your Google Drive. As long as you work for the university or using the university email address, you have unlimited storage on Google Drive. So you're going to select Get Started. And then you'll notice here it asks me to sign in. So you're going to type your university email address, chorus.mabulwana@ul.ac.za, and then you select next. And then I'm going to type in my password. And then I select next. And then now it will open this screen so that you can give access to Google Drive, okay? Or Google Backup and Sync. It will open this. In your case, it may even ask you to sign in if it opens a default browser where you haven't signed in. So in my case, I just choose allow. Okay. And then I allow that, and then add success. Now, if I go back in here, now the signed in, you'll go to the next step where you're going to choose which folders you want to back up on your laptop. To save data, if you are not connected through the university network, you will need to specify which folders you want to be backed up. Mainly, it will be your document folder, the documents folder, as well as the desktop, because I know many people have a tendency of saving stuff on the desktop. Talking about saving stuff on the desktop, you'll notice my desktop is clean. So you must always do that as well. If you prefer to save stuff on your desktop, just create a folder and call it desktop and move everything into that folder so that at least you have a cleaner desktop. It actually makes it easier for technicians to assist you instead of a cluttered desktop. Okay, so now choose OK. So now you'll notice by default in here it has selected desktop, document, and pictures. Okay, and then it will even give you the sizes and all that. But because I don't use this, I don't want to use this, I was just demonstrating in here. I'm not going to select anything in here. You can even choose change here to specify exactly what you want to back up. Okay. If you want to back up videos and photos, you can select here as well. So you don't want to do that, otherwise you're going to chow a lot of data in there. You can even add other files or add extensions that you want to ignore. And then from there, you can just choose next. Okay, so in my case, I don't want to back up anything in here. I'm just going to leave desktop because I don't want to back anything up and chow my data because I'm connected via a hotspot. And then you go to next. Okay. And then now it takes you to this. This is where it's going to tell you what's going to sync, okay? Or otherwise you can select yes, only sync this particular folders. If you click in here, and then you can specify exactly what it should back up and sync. And then you can just do that by selecting and deselecting here, removing the tick and putting the ticks on. And then from there you go to start. And then that's it. And then from there, Google Sync and Backup will start backing up your documents. And then you know that if your computer crashes or you're not in front of your computer, you want to access a document that's on your computer quickly, you can just hit onto a computer that has internet connectivity and you can be able to access your documents in that way. Thank you for watching.